Yeah. Hello, wonderful friends. You're highly welcome back to my channel. Wow. I'm so super excited this morning. Yes, because I have you guys and I know I'm gonna talk to you guys today. So that is where my happiness is coming from. So, how are you doing, my darling friends, my family out there? I believe you guys are doing wonderfully well. Okay, I just want to use this medium to say thank you to my old and new subscribers. You guys are really wonderful. I owe you guys a lot. All right, and those who are yet to subscribe to my channel, hello, you're highly welcome to the family. If today is the first day of coming across our videos, all right, so feel free to subscribe. Feel free to give us your own contribution. Feel free to share your own understanding with us. Okay, we are family. We treat everybody as equal. All right, thank you so much. And if you have anything about this video, content the video, just don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'm definitely gonna attend to you one after the other. All right, and whatever you feel about this video, don't forget to drop it. All right. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about beta cola. Yeah, many people out there don't really know much about beta cola, and for that reason, I'm gonna take it step by steps. Okay, yeah, it is very important, both male and female. Okay, both genders we need beta cola. All right, first one I'm gonna talk about beta cola, physical uses of beta and the health benefits of beta cola. If you are having eye problem, if you're having difficulties in if you're finding it difficult to see both far and near, and at times you feel like something is obstructing your view, please get me bitter cola, any quantity you can get for me. This is tested and trusted. Please, if you're doing this, always have the faith that it's going to work for you. Okay, this is tested and trusted. When you get bitter cola for me, cut it into smaller portion. You can get one like this, and then you can see my bitter cola. This is how it look like. This is it. Yeah. When you, excuse me. When you get your bitter cola, hmm, cut it into smaller portion for me. After cutting it into smaller portion for me, you have to use clean water. Please, it must be distilled water, clean water. Okay, if you know how you can get clean water, because you are going to soak it, you have to soak it for 3 good days. On the third day, you start washing your face and then putting as a drop in your eyes. You have to do this as long as necessary, as until you see your desired results. The first day you start doing this, when you do it at night, it must be mainly at night, so that when you sleep, those things covering your view have to block off. Sometimes when you wake up, you will see some dirt hanging around. Okay, so if you can do this in the night, the next morning I will advise you also to try as much as possible to get something else, like drink the water if you have enough. But if you don't have enough, okay, if you don't have enough, just be dropping it directly in your eyes. And if you have enough of it, you can chew it. Okay, in less than 1 week, it's gonna improve in your eyesight. No matter the distance, if you don't see at all, you can start seeing gradually. Okay, you can do this until you get your desired result. I'm not assuring you 2 days or overnight cure. No, remember, these things take time. Okay, because before they occur, it took time for them to you know um starts forming up. So it's gonna take you time and patience for you to get the desired solution to that problem. So that is one about this bitter cola for eyes. Okay, now bitter cola helps also in treating any kind of stomach upset, be it normal, be it poison, anything, food poison or anything at all. If you can just get bitter cola for me, chew it, it's gonna take care of every form of stomach discomfort. Okay, for newborn baby that's cold when they're intestine are trying to reset. It used to be a very very painful experience for them, and the mothers, they can't even sleep. You know why? Because their baby can't sleep. Okay, that's just the that is the joy of motherhood. You can never sleep as long as the baby is crying. So get milk bitter cola, soak it in the water, be giving the baby the water to drink, just a spoon, morning, evening, and night. It's going to help to reduce the stomach upset. It's not going to stop it completely. Definitely their intestine are going to set in, but it's going to reduce the pain. Okay. All right. So another useful of this is it also helps the male to perform wonders in the other room. You know what I mean? In the other room, this is for adults alone. If you're a man, you find it difficult to perform very well, and you know what I mean. I'm going to advise you to get bitter cola. You can join it together with red onions. Chew it. If you can blend it, you can chew it. If you can chew it, that's beautiful. It helps you to, get your stamina. All right. And then if you're this one is spiritual, for spiritual purposes. If you are embarking on a journey, you don't really understand much about it, I would also advise you to go along with three bitter cola. Once you step in, just get bitter cola, put it in your bag, okay, or your purse or anything. Once you get there, you have to discard it. If you are coming back, you're advised to put another thing. So if those people you are meeting maybe for the very first time, they actually have bad intention about you, or they want to do something, definitely it is not going to work. Even if they eat poison there, it is not going to work. Okay. You have to pray with bitter cola always. When you are praying maybe at home, if you think that reptiles are disturbing, especially snake, they used to disturb and all that, yeah, I'm advising you to get bitter cola, drop it at every corner of your house. It must be like this, just the way it is. Drop it at every corner. It's gonna help ward them away. If you're having some attacks and all that, I will also advise you to get bunch of bitter cola. Um, Pound it with mortar, the normal wooden mortar. With the back, you're not advised to remove the back. When you pound it to seven of it, you get seven alligator pepper, pound them together, sprinkle it around your premises. I tell you, those evil spirits will desist from visiting your home. I always tell you to also have faith if you want to embark on things, on stuff like this. It's your faith that will determine how it's going to work. If you don't have faith, I don't know how it's going to work for you. You need the faith for it to work for you. All right. Okay, so that is fine. And another thing is, in case if you see strange pool in front of your house, most time evil will attack you. uh, Maybe when you're asleep, they will just come and pull and do one or two things without your knowledge. When you wake up, pray with this. When you pray with this, you cover yourself, your family. Make sure you guys are fortified. Get this, pour them inside the pool. Whatever the problem is, wherever it is coming from, you can set the pool ablaze. It's going to go back to whoever that sent it to you. I'm telling you the truth. That is spiritual uses. If you also ate in your dream, or if you're fond of eating in your dream, I would advise you to sleep with a bit of bitter cola in your mouth or under your pillow. It's going to help you a lot. If you can be praying with bitter cola, I tell you, there is nothing difficult that you won't know how to go about it. It is tested and trusted. Okay. Now, if you're a woman, your breast milk is not flowing as ought to be after putting to bed, I will also advise you to include this. It's gonna help to increase the flow of the breast milk. That's lactation. Okay, when you're lactating, okay, if it's not flowing as it ought to, I advise you to add this. It's gonna help a lot. Now, another thing I also advise us is this: if you're a young lady and you experience painful menstruation and all that, I also advise you to get this lemon. Though I will discuss more on that in my next video. Okay, that, so it's also help. Then is this also help in treating all kind of infection, toilet infection, um STDs and all the rest of it. This also help in treating them. If, for instance, if you have toilet infection, just get me at least 7 of this and then put it in a team. There is a soda called Team, or yeah, it's Team. It's called Team. Bitter something soda, bitter soda drink. Okay, it's Team. Put 7 of it and cook it very well. And the third day, you ought to drink all. The reaction, the from this reacting with the Team is gonna help flush out the toilet infection completely. And then if you uh in fact, it has a lot of health benefits. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here for now. Then in my next video I will continue. Okay, for your questions I will advise you to drop the questions in my section, comment section. And then for people that have been asking me how do we use salt and all that, because I talked about salt in my previous video and coconut, please, I will advise you to visit the description box or the first comments. I'll be pinning it so that you will get the links that will take you to that comment. Okay, sorry darling, I'm gonna stop here for now. In my next video I'm gonna start and complete what I've started. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for your support. God bless you all. Bye bye.